Best motorcycle for beginners: Suzuki SV650. When you're stepping into the world of motorcycling as a beginner, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The motorcycle you select can significantly influence your riding experience and shape your journey as a motorcyclist. The Suzuki SV650, an enduring favorite among beginners and experienced riders alike, stands out as an excellent choice for novices. It offers a perfect balance of power, versatility, and user-friendliness that is ideal for riders taking their first steps into the world of two-wheel exploration. In this article, we will explore what makes the Suzuki SV650 one of the best motorcycles for beginners and why it's a beloved entry point for countless riders. A brief history. The Suzuki SV650, a part of the SV series which includes the SV650S, made its debut in 1999. It was designed as an approachable and versatile motorcycle with an emphasis on delivering a fun and engaging riding experience. Over the years, the SV650 has received several updates and improvements, but its core qualities as an ideal beginner motorcycle have remained consistent. Balanced power and approachable performance. One of the standout features of the Suzuki SV650 that makes it an excellent choice for beginners is its engine. It's powered by a 645cc V-twin engine that produces approximately 75 horsepower. While this might seem like a substantial amount of power for a beginner, it's the way this power is delivered that makes the SV650 so manageable. The V-twin engine design provides a smooth and predictable power delivery that doesn't have any sudden or intimidating surges of power. This is crucial for beginners who are still developing their throttle control skills. It allows novice riders to build their confidence and skills progressively, without feeling overwhelmed. For beginners, the SV650's engine provides sufficient power to handle various riding scenarios, from city commuting to spirited weekend rides. As your experience and confidence grow, you'll find that the SV650 can still be a rewarding ride, accommodating your evolving riding style. Agile and lightweight. The SV650 is renowned for its agility and nimbleness. Weighing in at around 430 pounds, 195 kilograms, it's a relatively lightweight motorcycle. This makes it easy to handle and maneuver, especially at low speeds and during parking or tight turns. Novice riders often find the SV650 to be forgiving and confidence-inspiring, especially as they learn the intricacies of balance and control. The lightweight nature of the SV650 also contributes to a comfortable and responsive ride, allowing you to navigate city traffic with ease and enjoy twisty backroads without feeling overwhelmed. User-friendly features. Suzuki has equipped the SV650 with several features that make it a user-friendly option for beginners. Fuel injection. The SV650 is equipped with fuel injection technology, ensuring that the engine runs smoothly in various conditions and is easy to start, even on cold mornings. Digital Instrument Cluster. The modern and easy-to-read digital instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance, including speed, RPM, and other important data. Upright riding position. The SV650 features an upright and neutral riding position that minimizes strain on the rider's wrists, back, and legs. This ergonomic design enhances rider comfort, which is particularly valuable as beginners build their riding endurance. Comfortable seating. The motorcycle seat is designed for rider comfort, allowing you to enjoy longer rides without feeling fatigued. Smooth gearbox. The SV650 comes with a smooth and precise 6-speed transmission, ensuring that gear changes are effortless. This is an advantage for beginners who are still refining their shifting skills. Versatile riding experience. Whether you're a novice rider looking to commute, explore your local region, or take a weekend ride through winding roads, the SV650 is up to the task. Its versatility and approachability are essential for riders who are not yet certain of their specific riding preferences. You can comfortably tackle city traffic, ride on highways, and enjoy scenic routes on the SV650, making it an excellent companion for your two-wheeled adventures. Braking and suspension. The SV650 is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing progressive and dependable stopping power. This is an important safety feature for beginners who may still be developing their braking techniques. The suspension is tuned for a comfortable ride over varying road conditions, ensuring a stable and composed experience. Easy maintenance. The SV650 is designed with user-friendly maintenance in mind. Routine tasks such as oil changes and general servicing are straightforward, making it an excellent choice for beginners who are not yet well versed in motorcycle maintenance. Customization and accessorizing. One of the great aspects of the SV650 is its flexibility when it comes to customization. Suzuki offers various accessories and aftermarket parts, allowing you to tailor your SV650 to your specific preferences. Whether you want to add luggage, upgrade the exhaust, or make other modifications, the SV650 can be adapted to suit your evolving style as a rider. Community and resale value. The SV650 has a robust community of riders who share their experiences and expertise. This community can be a valuable resource for beginners seeking advice and information about their motorcycles. Additionally, the SV650 has a good resale value, making it a practical choice for beginners who might consider upgrading to a different motorcycle in the future.